Next, water.
Hello, welcome to GenLab Ice Factory. Today I'll show you how ice blocks are made from water to delivery.
From pristine sources to your glass, experience the purity of our ice, crafted with cutting-edge filtration and a commitment to quality. Filtration removes impurities for crystal clear ice.
UV sterilization ensures water is free from bacteria.
Samples are tested to guarantee consistency. Next, water enters freezing tanks to form solid ice.
Filling molds carefully prevents air bubbles in ice.
Temperature control is critical for perfect clarity. This is the start of our ice making journey.
Here, the water slowly freezes to form solid, clear ice blocks.
Once freezing is complete, the ice blocks are ready for release. Hot water helps release the ice without cracking it. Every block is inspected to ensure perfect clarity. Quality control is absolute. Even a subtle flaw, like this crack, is instantly detected.
Ice blocks are being prepared for cutting and sizing.
Let's move to the cutting and packaging stage, signaling the meticulous journey ahead.
Each piece is cut to exact size for consistent cooling.
Here, large ice blocks are cut into uniform sizes.
Any imperfect ice is removed to maintain quality.
Our advanced washing tunnel ensures every container is sanitized before use.
Our vibrating mesh conveyors efficiently separate excess water, ensuring only pure, dry ice moves to the next stage.
The ice is packed immediately to keep it clean and frozen.
Batch codes help us track every pack of ice.
Finished products are stored frozen until distribution.
Next, the packed ice goes into cold storage. Pure ice, perfectly preserved.
Packed ice is stored here at freezing temperature to prevent melting.
Maintaining Arctic precision.
Constant temperature control keeps the ice crystal clear. Refrigerated trucks keep the ice frozen during delivery.